say Jonathan's birthday weekend, and they want to tube. They're not regular voters at all.
Yeah, Amanda, we're just making sure we're keeping social distancing out here. It's always masks and everything.
I don't see anybody wearing masks out there. Could you explain that a little more?
Repels, you know, if you're drinking beer, I think it repels
The COVID?
any diseases, you know.
Alex, how do you think this tubing experience will go for these new voters?
And I've seen a lot of people out here try. They usually think that they can stay on, but they can't. They'll probably start out cocky and end up hurt, so that'll be good for their ego, you know. Really boost them down a little bit. You know, Amanda.
Cody, pay attention. We're live.
I've seen tubers.
New tubers? That's always where things that don't last long.
They don't.
And that's normally when things go wrong and things start breaking.
Well, what's gonna break?
The rope could break. The boat could break.
It could.
Bones could be breaking.
The prop could slip.
Acid and throw them all off, and they could break it all.
That extra encouragement.
And that, I don't think they're going to do very well.
Why do you think that, Cody?
They're not tan. They're not tan.
Oh my God!
Back, Cody, up. The olive color really gives away your intensity of what you can handle on the river. We couldn't get thrown off the tube. You see our melatonin? It's melatonin.
Melatonin. It's melatonin.
Are you sure?
I'm the medical class.
It's a,
Your skin?
yes. Melanin.
Okay, we gotta cut that.
Melatonin.
Anyway,
And what did I say?
That was too soon. He could have held on longer
This
than that.
was not going to go well.
so obviously
I feel bad for some people. Could have got us breaking. Or they could have put on some tannin lotion. The extra dark, and you get the nice crisp.
If it's your birthday,
that's right. That's
weekend,
absolutely right. It's. I want to give a big shout out to Gina.
Her birthday is going to be Monday.
Monday.
She's turning.
30. So
She will be 32. We're looking across the beach of the tubers.
yeah, the tubers.
They look like they're.
Be sure to maintain social distancing and mask at all times. And
Where's the mask?
hey, they're taking that tube back. Okay,
All right.
this is Alex, Cody, and Gina, and
We'll see you next
We'll
weekend.
turn it back to you, Amanda.
Gold around their necks to match the gold up on the ceiling. White lines cut with black hearts so they never have to feel things. Passed out on the marble in their blue Balenciaga. Say they hate cigars but still they smoke them like Sinatra. Born a queen of 21st century kingdoms. Big white castle in the hills. Oh, well, heaven takes the reins when nothing's left to say, and heaven takes us far above the earth to end our chasing. Heaven come to help us, hit us like a hard drug. Heaven takes us far above the earth to